Good morning, everybody. Today is a very exciting day. We are going to be heading to Tipella Backcountry. They are just based out of the Lower Mainland in BC, Canada, and we are going to be getting a new rooftop tent for the 4Runner. Currently, we do have a Free Spirit Recreation, the tri-layer 80-inch. But it's just way too big to have on this, so we will be putting that on my husband's truck now. But yeah, we're gonna downsize a bit for the 4Runner. That way I can take the kids out just myself. And then we haven't tried it with all four of us, but if it fits us all, great. If not, it'll be super cozy, but we'll have to see how that all goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and let's head to the shop. Today the guys will be installing the Tipella Lil Whipsaw tent in the Stealth Black. First thing to do is remove the max tracks, and then it's go time. Alright, let's get into some details of the tent. The shell material is made out of ABS, and the base material is aluminum flooring with aluminum framing. The cloth is a waterproof canvas, 280G polyester ripstop cotton canvas with waterproof 2000 millimeter. The mattress is a foam rubber cushion with a thickness of 4.5 centimeters, and the ladder is aluminum telescopic up to 230 centimeters. The dimensions of the tent closed in inches are 63 by 43 by 12.5, and the dimensions opened up are 63 by 83 by 45. The weight of the tent is 143 pounds, and the load capacity is 650 pounds. Lastly, you can get a couple additions for your tent, and those are a whipsaw awning, and you can also get a cocoon insulation kit. So basically that is for the winter time to keep you extra warm inside. Alright guys, so the install is all done. The tent looks awesome up on the 4Runner there. Big shout out to Tipella Backcountry for installing it for me, and yeah, just making an all-around awesome looking tent. I love the all black colors to it because it goes with my white, black, and then red accent theme I got going on here with the 4Runner. But yeah, super happy with it. Hopefully we can get out soon to actually put it to good use. Our schedules are sure you guys understand that. Life just gets pretty crazy sometimes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also please consider subscribing to my channel. I am trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. But yeah, if you could do that, much appreciated. And yeah, hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hey boys, you ready to see?
Yeah.
Okay, go out, look. You want to see what's out there?
Yeah.
Go look to see what's on top of the car.
What is that?
It's a new tent.
A new tent?
Yeah.
That's so cute. Like Kelly's car?
Yeah.
Is that a hill?
Nope.
I'll go in it.
Should we open it up? It is chilly, isn't it? All right, we'll get it opened. You can go in it, buddy. What do you think?
Here's the stuff.
Are you gonna come up too?
Here you go.
Thank you, T. So what do you guys think?
Perfect.
Perfect? What do you think, Lucas?
Perfect.
Perfect?
I want to zip it.
Someone's excited. Just be careful, guys. It's not a jungle gym in there, okay? What's going on?
Yeah!